Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Microstrategy stock yet again, and this one in today's trading is down by 1.26%. Over the course of tonight's filming though, we're going to be speaking about this and I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, but do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now a few things to pay attention to here coming into today's trading. Unfortunately we are down by a further 1%. One thing that does appear to be the case over today's trading, since Friday we do appear to somewhat be building a support right around or just above the 235 range. At the same time, this is still a relatively weak level. We have dropped below it in the past, so it's not necessarily a major hold, and it is also a relatively recent level that we appear to be holding. To go back to the stock being around this level, you do have to go back quite a bit in time to the March sort of April period of 2025. And again, at that time frame, we did see the stock come down to these levels, 235, maybe 230. We have seen this in the past. The question then becomes, therefore, are we going to actually hold it? Again, this could be a very strong moment. However, you would need to see the stock break out of a few levels of current difficulty. 250 is the first, 255 is the second, break 255 is 259. If you can push above that, it's on to 270, break 270 is 275, for a potential retest of numbers at 295, hopefully up to 300. If you do fall below here, guys, I am looking down to 235. If you fall below that, I'm looking down to 230, maybe even down to 225 or 220, as we have seen before. The RSI here is of course still very, very low. However, my question is, do we actually see this support hold up? If we do, could see a little bit of a bounce. If we do not, guys, my sentiment does become increasingly bearish. Again, at the moment I am still very apprehensive with this stock, but that is just my opinion.